Have you ever looked at the ground beneath your feet and wondered what lies deep, deep below? Our planet, this remarkable sphere we call home, holds countless secrets within its hidden layers. For all our technological advancements, we know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the world that exists just a few miles under the oceans. It is a realm of unimaginable pressure and intense heat, a place no human has ever seen. Now, China is embarking on an extraordinary adventure, a bold quest to drill deeper into the Earth than ever before. This is not simply a matter of digging a hole. It is a monumental scientific mission to touch a part of our world that has remained completely out of reach. The ambition behind this project is truly breathtaking. The primary goal is to pierce through the Earth's crust, the thin outer shell we live on, and reach the layer just beneath it, known as the mantle. This boundary, called the Mohorovičić discontinuity or MOHO, marks the line between the familiar rocks of the crust and the mysterious, denser material of the mantle. Since the 1960s, scientists have dreamed of crossing this frontier, but technological challenges have always stood in the way. By succeeding where others have paused, this mission aims to bring back the very first pristine samples from this deep frontier, offering a direct glimpse into the inner workings of our planet's engine. To accomplish this incredible feat, China has built a magnificent vessel, a true marvel of modern engineering. This ship is called the Mengxiang, which translates to dream. And a dream it is, for it is designed to turn a long-held scientific fantasy into reality. It is the most advanced drilling ship ever constructed, capable of operating in the deepest parts of the ocean and drilling down an astounding 11,000 meters into the seabed. It is a floating laboratory, a self-sufficient base for scientists on a long and lonely journey into the unknown. The Mengxiang represents a new chapter in human exploration, a tool that will unlock doors to a world we have only ever been able to study from afar. This journey is about more than just satisfying scientific curiosity. It is about understanding the very forces that shape our world. The Earth is a dynamic and living planet, constantly changing. Its surface is a mosaic of massive tectonic plates that drift, collide, and slide past one another. These movements are driven by heat and currents flowing within the mantle. By directly studying the mantle, scientists hope to gain fundamental new knowledge about this process. It is a quest to read the Earth's own history book, written in layers of rock, and to better comprehend the powerful forces that govern our existence on this beautiful and sometimes volatile world. The samples that the Mengxiang aims to retrieve from the mantle are like time capsules from another world. For decades, our understanding of the Earth's mantle has been based on indirect evidence, such as studying the shock waves from earthquakes or analyzing volcanic rocks that have been thrust up to the surface. While these methods have taught us a great deal, they are like trying to understand a forest by only looking at a few fallen leaves. Obtaining a direct core sample from the mantle would be revolutionary. It would allow scientists to analyze its true chemical composition, its temperature, and its physical properties with unprecedented accuracy, confirming or challenging theories that have stood for generations. This new knowledge has profound implications for understanding some of the planet's most powerful and destructive natural events. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions are magnificent, yet terrifying, displays of the energy contained within our planet. These events are intimately linked to the movement of tectonic plates and the behavior of the mantle below. By learning more about the conditions at the crust-mantle boundary, scientists hope to build more accurate models of how and why these disasters occur. This could one day lead to better prediction methods, potentially saving countless lives in regions that are vulnerable to these awesome forces of nature. The deep-sea drilling project will also look back in time to understand our planet's climate history. The layers of sediment on the ocean floor are a natural archive, trapping tiny fossils, chemicals, and particles that tell the story of past environmental conditions. By drilling deep cores, scientists can read this archive like the pages of a book, revealing how oceans and climates have changed over millions of years. This information is crucial for understanding the context of our current climate change. It helps us see how the Earth system has responded to changes in the past, giving us vital clues about what we might expect in the future. Furthermore, this exploration ventures into one of the most extreme environments on Earth, a world without sunlight, under immense pressure. Yet, even in these dark, deep places, life can exist. The project will investigate the deep-sea biosphere, searching for microorganisms that thrive under conditions we would consider impossible. Studying these life forms, known as extremophiles, pushes the boundaries of our understanding of biology. It helps us appreciate the sheer tenacity of life and even informs our search for life on other planets, where similar extreme conditions might be found. Every sample brought to the surface could reveal a new species or a new way of life. Beyond the quest for pure scientific knowledge, there is another powerful driver for this deep drilling endeavor: the search for new energy resources. As the world's population grows, so does its demand for energy. Nations around the globe are looking for new, reliable sources to power their economies and improve the lives of their citizens. This project is, in part, a sophisticated exploration for deposits of oil and natural gas that may be trapped in geological formations far below the seabed. Finding and accessing these deep reserves could be crucial for meeting future energy needs and ensuring a nation's energy security for decades to come. One of the most intriguing potential resources being sought is a substance known as natural gas hydrates, often called flammable ice. This fascinating material forms under the high pressure and low temperatures found in the deep ocean floor. It looks like solid ice, but it is actually frozen water molecules that trap a large amount of methane gas inside a crystal-like cage. If you were to bring a piece to the surface and hold a flame to it, it would burn. The amount of energy stored in gas hydrate deposits around the world is thought to be immense, possibly exceeding all other known fossil fuel reserves combined. Unlocking the potential of flammable ice is a tremendous technological challenge. Safely extracting the methane gas without causing it to release uncontrollably into the atmosphere is a complex problem that engineers are working hard to solve. The Mengxiang drilling program will play a key role in this effort by helping to map out where these gas hydrate deposits are located and studying their geological settings. This research is a critical first step towards developing the technology needed to one day harness this vast energy source safely and efficiently. It represents a potential game changer in the global energy landscape. This pursuit of new resources highlights a fundamental aspect of human history: our constant drive to explore and utilize the world around us. From the earliest mariners who sailed into uncharted waters to the modern scientists drilling into the Earth's crust, we are always pushing the boundaries of what is possible. This project is a clear demonstration of that impulse. It combines the spirit of scientific discovery with the practical need for resources, showing how the quest to understand our planet is deeply intertwined with our quest to secure our future. It is a bold investment in both knowledge and a more prosperous tomorrow. With the launch of the Mengxiang, China is positioning itself at the forefront of a new era in marine and earth science. For many years, the field of scientific ocean drilling was led by an international consortium using the American vessel, the Joyd's Resolution. As that celebrated ship approaches its retirement, the Mengxiang is ready to take up the mantle and carry the torch of discovery even further. This represents a significant shift in global scientific leadership, showcasing China's growing technological prowess and its commitment to fundamental research. It is a statement of ambition, signaling a desire to lead a global scientific community into a new age of discovery. This project is not intended to be a solitary effort. China has expressed its intention to make the Mengxiang a platform for international collaboration. The plans include making all the core samples and the vast amounts of data collected available to scientists from all over the world. This open approach is vital for science, which thrives on the sharing of information and the combined efforts of many minds. By inviting international partners to participate, the mission can benefit from a wider range of expertise and perspectives, ensuring that the discoveries made will enrich our collective human understanding of the planet we all share. The significance of this project extends beyond science and into the realm of technological achievement. Designing and building a vessel as complex and capable as the Mengxiang is a monumental undertaking. It required developing new technologies for drilling in extreme depths, advanced systems for analyzing samples on board, and the ability to operate independently at sea for months at a time. By achieving this, China demonstrates its self-sufficiency in critical deep-sea technology, a capability that has strategic importance and enhances its standing as a major maritime power on the world stage. In conclusion, China's bold mission to drill towards the Earth's mantle is one of the most exciting scientific endeavors of our time. It is a journey filled with immense challenges, but also with the promise of extraordinary rewards. From revealing the fundamental secrets of our planet's formation and the forces that drive earthquakes, to uncovering vast new energy resources and pushing the boundaries of technology, this project has the potential to reshape our understanding of the world. As the Mengxiang embarks on its voyages, it carries with it the hopes of scientists everywhere for a deeper, more intimate knowledge of our wonderful and mysterious home.